Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function class method. Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the Python built-in function class method. By the end of this quick video, you'll know exactly what it is, why it's useful, and how to use it with confidence. Let's get started. First up, the definition and syntax. The class method function is used to transform a method in a class into a class method. This means the method receives the class itself as the first argument, typically named CLS, instead of an instance. Here's the syntax. So simple, right? You just pass the function you want to convert into class method. Now, why would you use this? Class methods are great when you need to operate on the class as a whole, rather than on specific instances. A common example is factory methods, where you create instances in a customized way. Here's the key concept. A class method can access class-level data and modify it, but it can't directly access instance data. You'd use class method when 1. You need to modify or access class-level data or properties, or 2. You want to create an alternative constructor for your class. This makes your code cleaner and more organized. Let's look at an example. Imagine you have a book class and you want to add a factory method to create books from a dictionary. Here, the from_dict is a class method, and it acts as an alternative constructor. It takes the dictionary data and creates an instance of the book class. Pretty cool, right? Class methods are also useful for managing class-level data. Check this example out. Here, increment modifies the count variable shared across all instances of the class. And that's a wrap. To recap, the class method function is perfect for creating methods that work with the class itself, rather than instances. Whether it's for factory methods or managing class-level data, it's an incredibly useful tool in Python. Don't forget to practice and experiment with it in your own projects. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!